I'm 21 years old, and as a performer, the prize is not my aim. If it is for me, then I'd be thankful. All I want to do is to inspire and touch the hearts of people, and I am more happy to see people who believe in my talent and can tell that I deserve to win than to be the winner with negative comments behind me. I want to thank my family who is still there to support me in my endeavors, to my friends, and to all the staff of Sakay na Dayo who help us in preparing ourselves in this competition. The song that I'll be singing is for you. God bless us all.
Their voices were soft, and their words inviting. There was a time when love was blind, and the world was a song, and the song was exciting. There was a time when it all went wrong. There was no ransom to be paid, no song and song, no identity. But the tigers come at night with their voices soft as they tell your hope as they turn your dream to shame. It's summer by my side. You filled my days with endless wonder. He took my childhood in his right, but he was gone when autumn came. And still I dream he'll come to me, that we'll live years together. I dream